Hello, miss.
Hi, guys. Where are the rest, guys? Tell them to come quickly. Okay, Zain. We're waiting for people to join. We need to take the attendance quickly so that we can start right away. So send them, text them quickly. They have to join us right now. Yeah. All right, let's take the attendance. Abdullah. Abdullah. He's not here. Okay. Adam. Adam.
Yes.
Okay, wake up, Adam. Ahmed Al.
Yes, miss.
Ahmed Sharif.
Yes, miss.
Iyad is not here. Farida.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Hamza. Hamza.
Yes.
Huda.
Yes.
Jomena.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Hamza. Jomena.
Yes.
Karma.
Yes.
Laura.
Yes.
Layla. Hamad Izzat. Maryam Mu'taz.
Yes.
Omar.
Yes.
رقية. زياد تامر. Yeah, okay. زياد حسام.
Yes, miss.
Zain, he's here, but his mic is not working. And Mona. I cannot see her name. She's, oh, Ruqayya, are you there? She's not here. Ruqayya has a problem. She has a problem with her mic. I cannot see her mic icon. All right. So we're going to start now, guys. Hopefully nothing explodes. Hey, guys. Okay. So I have here a basket full of stuff, and we're going to try those stuff together. I'm going to start with the lime water. I'm going to start with the lime water. Who can tell me what did I tell you the lime water does? The lime water, not the lime. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Farida.
The lime water tests carbon dioxide.
Yes, it tests
Carbon dioxide.
yes, the presence of carbon dioxide in breath. Okay, so right here, this is the lime water. Okay, is it clear that it's clear?
Yes.
It is clear, it's like water. Okay, this is the lime water, which is the weak solution of the weak solution of what?
Of calcium, of
Calcium.
lime or calcium hydroxide.
Of calcium hydroxide. It is the weak solution of calcium hydroxide. So this is an alkali. It is the weak solution. As you can see, you can see my hand through it. So it is clear. It is calcium hydroxide that is diluted. What I'm going to do, I have a straw right here, and I'm going to put the straw inside, and I will start to blow. Okay? I hope it shows, because it started to turn into turbid, or it started to turn into the white color. I don't know if it's going to be obvious or not, but you will start.
It's kind of like, it's not as clear as it was.
Can you see it? Yes. Can you notice that
It's
it
kind of
became
cloudy.
Yes, it became cloudy. Exactly.
Yes.
Did you notice this, guys?
Yes.
How cloudy it became? It was totally clear. And then when I blew
Now
in,
cloudy.
yes, it's cloudy. This is because it makes a precipitant, or something like a very tiny powder, which is white in color, and then it starts to gives this cloudiness look to the lime water. Did you all see it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. Now let's move to the next thing. The next thing is that I have right here some alkalis and some acids. I have here, this is sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide.
Okay. And right here I have ammonia. Ammonia is an acid or an alkali?
Acid.
Look at this. What does it have?
It has an NH4
OH.
OH.
So is it an acid or an alkali?
Acid.
OH is hydroxide.
Alkali.
Yes, it is an alkali. Okay. Ammonia is
It
a
has
weak,
hydroxide.
yes. Ammonia is a weak alkali. Okay. So I have a strong alkali, which is sodium hydroxide, and I have a weak alkali, which is ammonia. Okay. And I have a strong acid, which is hydrochloric acid. And who can remind me, where can we find the hydrochloric acid? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Ahmed Amr?
Inside the stomach.
Inside the stomach. Very good. Inside the stomach. And right here, I have acetic acid, and acetic acid is another name of ethanoic acid. Who can tell me what is ethanoic acid? Acetic acid is another name for ethanoic acid. What is ethanoic acid? Yes, Lara.
The acid that's in vinegar.
The acid that is in vinegar. Very good. And I have right here.
Miss, so like, can we eat the ethanol? Like, if we put vinegar in food, we can eat ethanoic acid?
Yes. Okay, right here I have the litmus paper. Let me show it to you. This is the litmus paper. Okay, you have the red litmus paper. This is the red litmus paper. This is the blue litmus paper. And right here I have the purple litmus paper. But it's not very obvious in the camera. Okay, so I have the red litmus paper and I have the blue litmus paper. Okay. I also have other indicators like what? Like methyl orange.
Methyl orange.
And I have pH. pH is what? Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein. Okay. All right. So what are we going to do now? We're going to start with the litmus paper. We're going to try with the litmus paper with the acids and the alkalis. So I'm going to get some test tubes. I have some test tubes here. And I'm going to use a clean, dry test tube and I will put sodium hydroxide in it. Okay. So it's just a little amount of sodium hydroxide is enough. Okay.
Okay.
Now I will get
Miss,
yes.
what happens when you put vinegar with chlor gel?
It makes a reaction that could hurt or burn hands.
A poisonous powder, a poisonous oxygen.
Yes, I want you to pay attention to what we're doing, okay? So I have right here sodium hydroxide, and I'm going to try using the blue litmus paper. What do you think will happen? Is there anything that will happen?
No, it will stay blue.
It will stay blue. Let's see.
Miss, the camera can't get the
I'm going to show it to you, don't worry.
the.
Okay, so I'm just going to, yes. Here you go. So here's the strip after I added sodium hydroxide to it. It's wet, but it's still blue.
Color.
It did not change color. Okay, now I'm going to try doing the same with the red litmus paper. What do you think will happen?
The white part will turn blue.
What white part? There is no white part. It's
the
red.
Part, the
Yes.
part that's the sodium hydroxide.
Yes, it's going to turn blue. Let's see. Look. What happened?
It turns blue.
Turned blue. Okay, so the red litmus paper will let us identify the acids or the base or the alkali.
The alkali.
The alkali, exactly. When I add an alkali to the red litmus paper, it turns blue. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Did everyone see?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to try with an acid. So I'm going to use the hydrochloric acid. Where is the hydrochloric acid? Here you go. I'm going to use the hydrochloric acid. Okay. And I'm going to try, first let's try the red one, the red litmus paper. Do you think any change will happen?
No,
Eh,
no,
the
it
red
will
litmus
stay.
paper. Okay, it will stay red. Let's try. Did it change its color?
Miss Abdullah
No.
was
No.
saying to you, I missed to let him in.
No, it didn't.
Okay, so it did not change color. It's still red. What about if I use the blue litmus paper? What do you think will happen?
It will change colors in color into red.
It will change color into red. Apparently something is wrong with this litmus paper. Let's try another one. I'm not quite sure if I have more of the blue. No more blue.
Miss, we can use the same blue one, but like one side, put it in the
Yeah, no,
alcohol.
no, I think something is wrong with it. It's not working properly. Okay, let's try with the purple one. It will show us the change in color again. So this is the purple one. I think it's obvious. If you look closer, can you see it?
Yes.
It changed its
Yes.
color. Its
Yes.
color
It's
into
most of it is red,
Red.
then
red.
purple, then blue.
Yes, it is. No. This is because of the shade. It's not blue. This is the shade. It's totally purple and it turned into
We can
red.
see the red pink.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Miss Ruqayya is in the waiting room.
Okay. All right, guys. So that was the litmus paper. Okay, did everyone saw it?
Yes.
All right. So now let's try another indicator. We are going
Miss?
to, yes,
Are all alkalis and are all acids and alkalines colorless?
no.
Okay.
Okay. So now I'm going to use the same test tube that had the sodium hydroxide in it. Okay. And I'm going to add some methyl orange to it. Okay. Here you go. This is the methyl orange. What do you think the change in color will be?
It will change into yellow.
It will change into yellow. Okay. Let's first see what is the color of the methyl orange. What is the color of the methyl orange?
Orange.
Orange.
Orange, yes. Okay. And I'm going to add the sodium hydroxide to it.
Sodium hydroxide.
It turned into what?
It's
light orange.
Yes.
light orange.
So
Not
it is.
exactly yellow.
Do you see it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's try methyl orange with an acid.
Miss, I have a question. Are we like going to learn where each acid comes from, or
No, not each
not?
acid. No, just the ones that you are learning about in this lesson. Okay?
Yes, I know. Like, no, I'm not saying about acid. Like, I'm saying sodium hydroxide. We didn't take where did it come from.
No, you don't have to know about it. It's lab made, but you don't have to know about it. Okay? So here you go. This is the methyl orange. And this is the hydrochloric acid. What happened?
It turned pink.
It turned pink.
Turned pink.
Is it obvious?
Yes.
Okay. This is fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It would have been more fun if we were actually there.
Yeah, I know. I hope that you're here too. Okay, so now we have the phenolphthalein. We have the phenolphthalein. So we're going to try the phenolphthalein now. It's colorless. And when I add,
If it's colors, how will we know when we put an acid it will like
it will not turn into, it will stay colorless. Exactly. Thank you, Joman. Okay, so I'm going to put some hydrochloric acid. Where's the hydrochloric acid? Here it is. I'm going to put some hydrochloric acid to it. Let's see what will happen. It's colorless. Can you see it? The phenolphthalein is colorless.
yes.
Here.
Did anything happen?
No.
It remained colorless. Okay. Now I will use the phenolphthalein with sodium hydroxide. Yes, with sodium hydroxide.
It will turn pink.
It's supposed to be turning pink or fuchsia. Sometimes it's really dark pink. And I'm going to add some sodium. This is colorless, as you can see, and I'm going to add some sodium hydroxide to it.
Sodium hydroxide. It turned fuchsia.
Yeah.
Magic.
Magic. Okay. Did everyone saw? Okay. Did you see, guys? Everyone saw it?
Yes.
Okay, look at my hands now. Look how. Okay. So next we are going to try. Let's first try the pH. I don't know if it's working or not, but this is how one of the pH indicators looks like. Look.
Has pH on it.
Yes, this is the pH meter. Okay. So we are supposed to be, I'm not sure if it's working. It is working, but I don't have this wide yeah, I don't have. Okay, so maybe next time I will bring a larger beaker so that I can show you the change in color. As you can see, there is a digital screen right here. And when you put this whole thing inside the acid or the alkali, and it will give you a number. I will try to do it right now, but I don't, I'm not quite sure that it's going to work. Would you give me 1 second, guys? Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right, guys, I'm trying to find a beaker for us. So if they brought it before the session ends, that would be perfect. Until this happens, who can tell me what is this symbol? This is the symbol of what?
Corrosive chemical.
Corrosive chemical, yes, corrosive chemical.
Raisins are ones, so like you can choose us.
Okay, so this is one thing. The last thing that I'm supposed to show you, hopefully they will bring the beakers, is the, tada, it looks scary, right? This is the universal indicator. I'm just going to show you a sneak peek. We do this because it's not supposed to be exposed to sun or any kind of light. So as you can see, it is written that it's a what? Universal indicator. Okay, universal indicator.
pH.
And it's written, yes, it shows, or it can show the difference between pH 4 and pH 11. It can show us how strong the acids or the alkalis are between pH 4 and pH 11. So let's try it together. Okay, hopefully it works. Okay. So right here, I have an empty, clean test tube. And I'm going to add some universal indicator.
As if it's not supposed to be like exposed to light, you can close the curtains.
Yes, but any light. So I have to close everything, okay? So this is originally the color of the universal indicator, which is red. Okay.
Very dark red.
Yes. So what I'm going to do now, the one that is going to be really obvious is the alkali. So I will bring the sodium hydroxide.
It's blue.
Can you see it?
Yes, it's very dark blue.
It's very dark blue. Okay, now let's try. Give me 1 second, guys.
Okay.
Okay, we are going now to try the universal indicator with the acetic acid. Hopefully it works. Hopefully we can see the difference. Okay, this is red, and I'm going to put some acetic acid. It's not going to be very obvious. It gave a tinge of orange, but it's not really clear. Okay, this is the before and after, guys. Okay, this is the color of the universal indicator, and this is the color of the universal indicator with the acetic acid. Can you see that?
They're both red, but
no,
like
you will notice that the other one, this one, is a little bit orange.
Yes, and it's like it's
Eh.
the one the solution, the mixture, like it's lighter than the other.
Yes, it's a little bit orange. So this is why the universal indicator. Can you see it now? It's obvious, I think.
Yes.
This is a little bit dark red. This is orange.
Dark orange.
Yes. Okay. Now, I managed to get 2 beakers for us. So I'm going to try the sodium hydroxide and we will see what it is pH, the pH of it. Okay.
Skills.
Okay, where is the, okay, here it is. Okay, so I'm going to open it. I have an on button here, so I'm going to press it. It gives me zeros. Okay.
Miss, before you pressed on, it gave zeros, Bert.
No, I'm going to close it now. Huh? Does it give anything?
No, but at first when you
Yes,
showed
because
it to us,
because I already pressed on before showing it to you. So I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm going to press on, okay?
Okay.
oh, now it had zeros.
Okay.
It has zero.
I'm going to put it in the sodium hydroxide. Let's see what will be the reading. Yeah, okay, guys, it's not working. It is not working. It says zeros, so I think something is wrong with it. Yeah, it's not working. So maybe next time I will try different pH meters because we have several ones and I can find a working one. I will show it to you next time. Okay?
Okay.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Not that much, Yan.
Not that much. Okay.
Because we're sitting in front of a laptop and we're not doing anything.
Okay, so have a nice vacation, guys. And if anyone missed this, you can see it. I'm going to upload it on your YouTube on Clasera, and you can watch it again. Okay. So
I think we'll be watching it more than any other of the
other
classes.
videos, yes, I know. Okay. I will see you seeing you next week, and I want you to study well for the quiz, please. Okay.
With every session, I write everything we took in a copybook.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.